Hey, it's Tom from FH Group Auto. You know, our products have everything you need for an easy install. And if you ever run into a problem, we have a solution. Check it out.
So you bought one of our split bench covers, and now you want to split your seat. Well, we got you covered. Our split bench design allows the fabric to be split into sections, and the zippered mesh pieces provided make it a cinch to install. Just unzip the mesh cloth into two separate pieces. Then use the zipper to connect the mesh piece to the cover. Fold down the sections of the rear seat so you have access to the back side. Secure the cover to the backrest by connecting the buckle straps. Then adjust and tighten. There are elastic loops on each side of the fabric. Just attach metal clips to the elastic loops, and then connect the metal clips from one side to the clips on the other side. Now you have two separate covers you can use to split your backrest. Most car models have solid bench rear seats. However, if your car has split bottom seats, we offer additional mesh cloth pieces that you can purchase separately. FH Group seat covers can accommodate your needs no matter what size vehicle you drive.
At FH Group Auto, we're here to help. No matter what car you drive, we got you covered. See you next time.